Hi, this is Lagos, Nigerian Apapa waters, Atlantic Ocean. We are looking at the Atlantic Ocean, and that is the Marine Bridge Apapa in Lagos, Nigeria, very close to the Apapa Wharf. And then an accident has just occurred here. An accident has just occurred. A passenger boat has sunk inside this Atlantic Ocean, and divers are in this water now. Divers are in this ocean trying to rescue the drowned people. About 4 people have drowned in this ocean, and divers are in this ocean trying to rescue them right now. And we are watching to see the rescue mission, how these people will be rescued from this Atlantic Ocean. Okay, that's the boat over there. The boat that sank is still sinking, and they're trying to rescue. I think one man is still in the ocean, one man is still in the water, and 3 have been rescued already. The woman on top of that boat, she sank inside this water and she has just been rescued. Divers are in this water still searching for one man. Oh my god. And that's the boat, the sinking boat. As you can see, is a local canoe boat. The boat that sank is a local canoe boat. It sank in the water. I think is engine failure, and the fuel got exhausted in the middle of this ocean, and then the 4 people it was carrying, they just fell inside the water. Okay. The last man has been rescued and he's in that boat, the second boat moving behind. And so far we have gathered that no one lost their lives. And that's the divers that rescued the drowned people. I think they went on fishing, and I don't know what happened to their boats, and their boats just capsized, you know. That's what happened. Stop,